Hey, welcome in for another product video. My name is Spencer from For the Low, and today I have this Integra DPC-5.1 5-disc DVD player to show you. But before we get into it, did you know that the first full-length film came out in 1906? Yeah, the reason that's impressive is because most movies at the time were only about a minute or two long, so this one was over an hour long. So that's pretty impressive for the time. But let's go ahead and talk about this. On the rear panel, you have component video, which would be your best option if you want the best picture. Then you have S-video and composite. And then for audio, there's digital, which includes coaxial and optical. And then there is analog for standard audio. So now let's get it plugged in. I'm going to use the component video, just match up the colors. Then connect your audio cable as well. And then as long as you've got it all set up correctly, you should get a signal to your TV just fine. So we'll go ahead and insert a DVD. And then this is what the original remote looks like for it. It's got a pretty spread out design if you have big fingers. It's got some audio functions if you want to use it as a CD player. You can turn on and off the display. And then with the top menu button, you can quickly skip the previews. And then you've got a slow forward and backward button if you want to play it back slowly. And then there's some other functions, of course. And then on the front panel here, you have your disc select buttons. And then you have a dimmer button if you want to lower the brightness. Then you have a display button if you want to adjust the display. If you're playing a certain kind of disc, it will let you do that. And you have your disc skip buttons right here. And then you have a CD play button if you want to switch it to CD mode. Then you have your stop, forward, backward, and pause button, and then play button. And then while a disc is playing, you can open the tray and it will let you load 4 discs while one continues to play. But that's pretty much all there is for this Integra 5-disc DVD changer. If you want to order one, it's available on our online store, or you can give us a call.